Sometimes it can get rough when you've had enough. I'll be your Don Corleone. When you're feeling down, feeling low, you'll never be alone. Not when you're right with me.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And guys, I'm in this 2-bedroom Airbnb that I'm so excited to show you guys. I've been staycationing here for a few days and I really love it. And I have invited the fan team so that they can come and can hang out around here. You know how we do it. I know you guys are staring at that art. Beautiful, huh? Anyways, so let me show you around this Airbnb so that you can see what kind of accommodation it offers, and I'll tell you where it is in a very short while. You've been requesting, actually I've gotten so many DMs. Where can I get a 2-bedroom in Shanzu? Where can I get a 2-bedroom in Nyali? Where can I get a 1-bedroom in Nyali? And all those places. So this is one of those places. If you've been requesting, you should put this into your consideration. And guys, let's go and check out the rooms. Room tour. Come in. Now there is this hallway here. There's this arch over here when you get to the entrance, and then voila! Now you can check the whole house.
It's real bad, never gonna turn my back.
My all-time favorite. At least it demarcates the sitting, the dining area from the sitting area. And this couch is my friend. And we are not joking. There is Netflix. You can watch Netflix all you want. I'm just in love with this dining area because of this. This is just so beautiful. Perfection. And it is so big, it can accommodate so many people. Will be surprised. And it is in a very, very, very serene place. Simple but classy. So you do not be afraid if you have kids. You don't spoil things, as in there are nothing to be spoiled here. There is the cooker, as usual. You can bake. So for family, if you need to cook plenty of food, there is a 4-burner here. Fridge. So this fridge is big enough for your supplies for a week or something. The microwave and the kettle. You have enough utensils. Provide sugar, salt, and some tea bags. Enough cutlery, all these. As in, basically, this kitchen is equipped for you to cook. If you are an artistic person, or if you love art like I do, this place will just impress you. Let's start with the master. Come to the master. Just before the master, like I said again, art. I've tried to make it the same way it was before. Nimejaribu. Don't you love this? This is awesome. Like every detail is awesome. There is this mirror, this hanging mirror, lantern. And the side, it's called, I'm told nowadays it's called a bed. I usually call it bedside lamp, bedside stool, but it's called nightstand. How often do you get comfortable beds? I've gone to other Airbnbs where the mattress is so hard, but this is so comfortable. Just look at this. This bed is so comfortable. And then there is this space for study. If you come to work, so you can just do your thing here. This can act as a console table as well, as you can see. It is master in suit. Rain shower, kama kawaida. They provide the shower gel. Actually, this place is very, very clean. And guys, so far, how do you like the master? I think it's my favorite. It's my favorite. So guys, there is also this other bedroom. There is the master bedroom, here is the other room. It's very close. If you have kids, it will be very, very convenient for you. If maybe they're asking for something or they're calling mommy, you'll be able to hear it from the other room. So that this one is very convenient for family. I love the master in suite, but there is a reason why I love this other room. Just come in. Look at that art. Now, this is the reason why I have also stayed in this other room. This plus this seat. So this is very good for people who are traveling maybe for work and they need like a big space where they can come and discuss stuff, or for family and all that. Okay, this one has equally comfortable bed. These beds, they are very similar. The one here and the other one is very, very similar. These rooms have white sheets. So this one is a tick for me. If you come and stay here for a month, you'll have too much storage. Okay, hata kwangu sina storage mob hivi, but we thank God. Everyone who has been asking me for some space, here is your 2-bedroom house. The Airbnb is open for you. I'll drop a link down here so that you can book whenever you want, and you just tell the host or the co-host that I sent you. Some people are just waving because they've seen a camera. Now, this is the room tour of this place. Don't you love it? What are you waiting for? Book already. Just click on those links below here and you'll get it. Now, let's have the fun team. I'm sure they're coming to spoil stuff here. Wanaenda kurusha vitu. You know these people, these ladies, they're crazy. So guys, before they come, thank God I've shown you. By the way guys, this place is in Beach Road, Nyali. So it is like 2 minutes away from Mamba Village. If you have kids, your kids can go and play in Mamba Village or Wild Waters. It's just 2 minutes drive. You can take a tuk-tuk, you can take a motorbike. There are plenty of them passing by the beach road. And this place is also 3 minutes drive to Nyali Beach. That is why it is called Beach Road. You can actually jog in the morning if you are the kind of person who likes jogging. In the morning you can jog towards the beach and come back. It is very, very close, very convenient. So guys, there is a supermarket Beach Mart here. You can go there. Even if you want to go to Nyali Center or City Mall, it is like a 5 minutes drive to those places. Cinemax is also 5 minutes away in the opposite direction. It's literally in a very strategic place. You have everything you need just around you. So guys, this place is so convenient. So if you're coming to Mombasa and you need a 2-bedroom space, it can actually accommodate up to 6 people. If you'll need extra mattress, it will be at an extra cost, but it can accommodate up to 6 people. Check the link below here and you'll be sorted. I assure you, you will love the space, you will love the reception. Anything you need will be sorted like pap.
Sometimes it can get rough when you've had enough. I'll be your Don Corleone. When you're feeling down, feeling low, you'll never be alone. Not when you're right, you me. Oh, I won't see no you and me every time things get bad.
Here at the fun team, I can hear the bell ring.
Hey, hey, hey. Yeah. Listen to me carefully. These are scared of me. Don't want never come to forgive myself.
Thank you for always supporting me. And guys, we are this close to getting to 10,000 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I've realized that plenty of you are watching the videos, but you hardly subscribe. Don't forget that, and like this video as usual. We want it to reach as many people as possible. See you in the next video. Bye.